Hello, this is my video for my practice speaking English, and I'm talking about my personal development, and I'm working on my original board game, and yeah, uh, I I'm making making changes about the game for more uh, to make it more interesting, you know. And yeah, this screen is one of my game screens, and yeah, this screen is created yesterday. This is called as a lobby room, the room where the players waiting for the start of the game, and players can change the settings. Yeah, and yeah, I will start with implementing starting with finish this implementation of this command this screen, and I need to add a button to start the game. Yeah, that's it. So let's take a look at the code, and I need to add a button on the screen. So I open the client module, and this component is used for the lobby, and I want to ask AI to create a new button. So like this, I write the comment, so the AI suggests me about, but it's not good. Yeah, it's this seems good. So I need to handle start the game function, and AI also suggests me the new function, and in this function we need to call the start game request, and the payload would be, yeah, I need to thinking about this, and how did I implement the server side, and maybe I forgot, so let me check this request. Regarding this request, I already defined the request type like this. The name is start game, and the type is like this custom start game to server. So I can use this in the client side, and I just change this like custom, and the payload is and I can import this type, and okay, this has only one property, player ID. So I just add this property like this, and this is okay. This payload has doesn't have any other information. This is just for the notification of the start game. So yeah, this has a simple payload. I think this is good. Okay, so let's take a look screen. Yeah, the button is added. The button is I think the button size of the button should be more large, but it's okay. I can fix the UI later. So I finished the implementation of the lobby, introduction of the lobby. So let's go back to my development roadmap at this page, and we were looking at this. So I could implement this feature early than I expected. So let's change this roadmap, update this roadmap, and let's move on the next features to implement. So this screen, gamen is the screen in Japanese. Yeah, I took mistake, and yeah, roadmap, not changelog. The file name is changelog, and we can move this to this Ruby introduction, and we will create a lobby where settings can be changed before the match. I need to change this text, so the players can the players can now change the game settings before the match. Yeah, good. The players can now change the game settings before match. But I should this move to top of this section, because this is sorted by date, time, and by the more new the difficult. I'll make sure the newest one comes to top. Yeah. Sort so that the latest appears first. Displays most recent entries at the top in order to it is, the higher it will appear. This is what I want to say. I wanted to say, but I think this sentence is more natural. I'll make sure the newest ones comes to the top. So, and I also need to remove this from here. And today we are going to work on the new implementation about missions. Missions are planned to occur during the game. This is a new concept in order to make the game more interesting and needing more cooperation. Yeah. So I'm going to make the game cooperative. Yeah. Okay. So remove this, and I need to design I need to make a design to implement this feature. And as I said before, there is a lot of some types of missions I'm planning like that. So at first I want to introduce the one mission, and it should be simple and easy to implement. And then I will implement other missions. That's my plan. So today I want to think about how to introduce the new element, new feature. I need to change the code a lot. Yeah. But first of all, I should decide what mission I implement at first. Yeah, so there is an idea about missions. This is also talked. I mentioned before, and not this project, like this, and sample missions is here, and there are 4 types of missions, and one kind of mission is penalty type. For example, move in a specific pattern, down, left, like this statement is announced as a mission, and the players need to move like this until your next second turn, down, left, and keep your money point until 10,000 for certain phase. This is not. This is another one, and for this example, if you couldn't complete this mission, you couldn't move like this, the penalty would happen. So the penalty would be like a fine. Uh, I don't know how do I say fee fine fine are imposed and penalty is applied, fine would be charged. Like this. Or another mission is to keep your money points under 10,000 for a certain phase. Yeah. So the player needed to move your money to another place or exchange to resource points in order to keep it under 10,000 like this. Yeah, but this won't make the game more cooperative. So this is not priority. This is not priority. Not prioritized. Yeah. And I want to make it more cooperative, so I want to introduce the kinds of missions like this. Form a triangle with 3 players positions and the 4th player must be inside that triangle. Yeah. Or collaborate to reduce the ranking of the top player. This is not concrete. The 2-player cooperation, 2 players must be on the same tile and share money points. This is easy to understand. Must be same tile at a certain time. As a team, sell 1 million worth of resources. Sell. So this is example, so I didn't think about these missions. I didn't think about these missions seriously, or how do I say, in Japanese このミッションについてちゃんとゲーム性を考えた上で作ってはいないと。ゲーム性を考えた上で作ってはいない。So in English, seriously is correct. Okay. So I need to think about game design, the mission designs. Yeah. Mm, yeah, but completing missions helps players win the game. Yeah. So this is so important. So the players prioritize completing missions, yeah, rather than collecting resources. So I should I should think about it seriously. Yeah. But the first mission I implement I will implement should be easy to understand and easy to implement. So which one would be better? I think this idea is interesting for me because there is a exchange rate. So to make use of exchange rate, the team can sell or buy huge or the team might sell or buy much amount of resources. Yeah. So as a team, the one player can buy something and exchange rate would be change, and the another player can sell something in the good rate. Yeah. So manipulating exchange rate helps the team complete the mission. So I like this idea. Yeah. So I decided to implement this mission as our first one. Yep. Just now I decided. So let's take a look at take a look at the game screen, create a room, and I need to debug test the starting game request. So Okay, the all of the players are joined and start game like this. All good. And the player 3 is here. And yeah, the map has a purge terminal and imprint terminal, and there is the UPB is exchange rate. UPB is the exchange rate, and UPB stands for unit per B, so it indicates the amount of the gained shell capacity by selling data fish, consuming data fish. Yeah. So and this UPB fluctuates every time the exchange happens. So yeah, so let's think about the scenario. So there is a team, the two players in one team, and the one and okay, let's think about this. So in this case, the team need to sell the resources. The selling resources means buying money, and yeah, what makes the thing makes it complicated is background setting. So there is a two I will call two I will use two concepts. I'm using two concepts, and the one is prototype. So in the prototype there is no background setting, so I will use the term like money or resource. But in this game there is a background setting, so I will I change the word for expressing the concept. So money is translated to money is share capacity, and resource is data fish. So you can think about you can consider this. So sometimes I say money or resource, and sometimes I say share capacity or data fish. And in this screen you can see the term with with the background settings. So in this scenario, the team need to sell resources, sell data fishes. It means the team buy the money. So sell means I'm confused. Purge is purge data fish is to convert to share capacity. So buy money, buy sell resource. So at this cell, the player can purge data fish. Yeah. Purge data fish. So at this there are four operations, I think, but in this game there are only two operations the player can do. Yeah, let me explain. The four operations. The first one is selling data fish. Yeah, selling data fish by inputting the amount of data fish, and two is selling data fish by inputting the amount of shell capacity. Yeah, but the second one is not disabled. Yeah. In this UI, the player can input only the amount of data fish. You know. So how many data fish the player sells? This, yeah. So in the same way, yeah, similarly, at this point, the remaining operation is two pattern, and so by this is selling shell capacity, shell capacity by inputting the amount of shell capacity, or selling shell capacity by inputting the amount of data fish the player want to gain. Okay, I understand. So the player can only input the amount of resource or money to sell. So player cannot specify the amount of resources the player want. Okay, but in this mission, I want to make it that the player the one player mm, one player can manipulate the exchange rate by selling something, and then another player in the same team sell something. Yeah. So I understand. So I want to. I need to. I need to change this sentence, this mission. As a team, so gain or loss. For example, data fish. Yeah. So in order to complete the mission, the player can exchange their share capacity to data fish. So if the player have a lot of share capacity already, the player can just exchange by their self. But if this value would be very high, the player needed to make the exchange rate in effective way. So yeah, in order to gain the large amount of data fish, needed to change the exchange rate. This makes sense. Might be okay, might be no problem. So anyway, let's start to implement mission. And I also need to think about the timing of the missions. The mission would be announced at a specific time. So I'm thinking about how often missions will be announced, or like this. And I have an idea. This is missions happens randomly. randomly happens. So I have a similar logic, similar implementation in this game. It's it is called as sync positions, like this. Show positions, and yeah, the condition to happen is like this, and sync possibility is defined like this. There is a numerator and denominator. So in this case, the possibility is 20%. And yeah, and this procedure, this code, I want to know about accurate word. Process, not procedure. Process is correct word. Okay, and this process is defined in this function. This is a move handler, and yeah, when the player move to another move another cells, this handler called, and the move partition task generates, and trap triggered or move and turn end. After turn end, this task might happen. Yeah, and I think the mission is a same structure, so I think I can add the new process here. Okay, this is good. Yeah, this is good. And the mission would be announced here. For example, as a team, gain 1 million worth of data fish. Yeah, is announced here, and players start to take action to complete the missions. Yeah, and when the mission is taken place, a new mission won't happen, so I need to take care about it. And how to check if the mission is completed or not. So, for example, in this scenario, the player need to gain the data fish. So here, imprint, but this is the only place to gain the data fish by selling shell capacity. So I think I need to add this place on the map. But might be not necessary. Might not be necessary. So, in order to check if the mission is completed or not, is depending on the missions, depending on the kind of missions. So in this scenario, I need to add a process for the check of the mission. I need to purge process, and the purge means selling cell capacity. So in this module, the name would be selling buy resource, selling resource or buy resource, selling money equals buying resource. So yeah, this function. In this function, money amount means the amount of shell capacity. So this is the data inputted by the player, and at here, the player can obtain the resource. Resource means data fish. And I need to update the sentence. At once is important. This is the mission. So the check should be executed at here. The resource amount is over 1 million or not. If the resource amount is over 1 million, the mission is completed by this player, and the team where the player is win the mission, complete the mission. Okay, and what is the rewards? What is the rewards for missions? In my assumption in my opinion, in my assumption, at the end of the game, the system awards bonus money, bonus shell capacity based on the number of missions each player completed. Yeah. And the amount of bonus shell capacity should be decided by the mission difficulty. So the mission has each mission has rewards. So I need to prepare for the data structure for that. And yeah, so how much and to whom, yeah. And in the result screen, the player wants to see the bonus amount for each missions. So in order to show the information, the systems need to store the information as a game state. Yeah, so I need to do that. That's it. Mission happens and mission completed. Yeah, a mission happens at this time. In this mission, the system assigned the team as players. The system assigned the team to the players. Yeah. So mission happens, but assigning the team is a specific process by the missions. So I need to implement the common flow for the mission, and also I implement the specific process of the each missions. Yeah. So common flow, happen missions, and rewarding at the end of the game. Yeah. Yeah. But before implementing, I want to commit the changes. And I want to make sure the build is successful. And in the client side, there is no test, and the server side is rarely updated, but I changed this. This is for the lobby introduction. This is nice, and I have already checked. And this module, yeah, for the introduction of the lobby, I have made some changes starting game and add game settings, yeah, and make it possible to change game settings by players, yeah, like this, and yeah, all good. Generate commit message and commit. Okay, all cleaned. So let's get started with implement the mission common flow of mission. But this is not difficult, I think. As I said, I have a similar structure in the move handler, yeah, not move, not task handler, it's event handler, and yeah, like this, and I need to define the mission possibilities, but and at first I can, for the debug, yeah, mission happens, always happens, and need to import and show mission, not show mission. I need to add a new task and like what is a proper word? Mission, generate mission, announce mission, or mission generated, mission happened. Mission happened task. Like this. Mission happened task. And I think I need the data structure like this, and missions, I think I should define the structure to list the missions. So like this. Yeah. Yeah. Export const missions. Export const missions and ID and name. Descriptions and yeah, the description is like here, like this, and ID and name. Name is why Chinese. Like this. One million data fish. But data fish, the unit is B. So annoying suggestions. Yeah, and this is not enough because in this structure, this is mission. So export interface mission is like this, but this is not enough. When the mission is happened, some data should be initialized. For example, team assigning. Yeah. So I need to think about the data structure. You know. But I should separate the mission happening and another process in the mission. Yeah. So I think mission code is string. I should write this, and mission code is an alias string type like this, and the code million data fish should be nice code. And yeah, so yeah, when the mission happens, the information needed is just mission code. Yeah. So let's take a look. As mission happened, and for now, yeah, for now this is hard coded. Yeah, there is only one missions I have, And that's it in the regarding mission happening. And next I needed to add task handlers, and here when the mission happened, this function will be executed. Mission happened handler. I need to create like this, and let's take a look at show positions. This has the same structure, and yeah, and show positions mission happened handler. Yeah, yeah, yep, yep. Yeah, in this function we need to update the game logic state, and also update the UI for client data. Yeah, that's it. But yeah, this is the main process, and we can take a mission code like task okay, mission code. And in the future we need to switch based on the mission code, but for now mission code is only 1,000,000 data fish, and in this mission we need to prepare for the data structure to assign the team and assigning team and rewarding. How to reward. So what information is needed at the end of the game? To whom and what types of mission, and how much share capacity is given to the players. So let's add a new data structure in the game state. So I need to modify this interface. This is called as a game logic state or logic state. LS stands for logic state, and I want to like this, and the name is mission state. Yeah, simply mission state, and export type mission state would be first of all is active. Yeah, current. Like this. First of all, because if the mission state is activated, a new mission won't happen. So we we can use this field in here. In the move handler. Oh, we should access the game logic state in the handler, but for now there is no game logic state, so let me check the here. Yeah, take state here and simplify custom event handlers and oh my gosh, I think this is not nice. Oh my gosh. How to overcome this situation in the TypeScript? We can access the game state like here at here, so but this function require custom event handler type like this, and this is expected not to take a game state as an argument. So I don't know, but I tried to so I want to return this function, but yeah. So for now the structure is like this. So yeah, so I want to change this to by state and like this, like this. Yeah. So this temporary function can take two argument like this and return the custom handler like this custom event handler. Yep. And custom event handler would be custom event handler is a function, so I can copy I can copy this like this, but why? This is an allow. Okay, all good, and I made it possible to access this state, and this contains the game logic state like this, so I can change the game move handler, and it should take ls game logic state, and with this we can check the but this is reverse, not if not active and mission happens, mission the condition is met, mission happened like this. Yep, good. Yeah, like this. And other is the same. So I want to rename it. This is a custom event handlers, and handler J. This is yeah, it's okay. This is good. Okay, in this function, mission state is already activated. New mission never happens. Next, mission state. In mission state, and how data, what data structure? I don't know what. The important thing is the process in this function. So I want to ask AI to implement the process. I need to explain the missions and what I want to do. And for now, about mission 1, check if the mission is active. And but first of all, in this mission, I will focus on this mission. So need team to the players, to all of the players, and the number of players in the team is 2. If the number of players is odd, is this correct? Not divided by 2. The a team made with 1 player. This is about team assignment, and need to yeah. Need to store information about the mission reward. At the end of the game, the team who completed the mission will be get the rewards, and the rewards is decided or defined in the mission data. Like this in the yeah, this is just starting new mission, so not difficult. Yeah. So find but the function should be implemented in here, so it's missions to separate the function. Yeah, like this. And if the mission is not found, return nothing to do, and need to assign the team. And also mission state should be active, and here mission state is activated here. So starting a new mission, needed to assign the team. So how to assign the team? Seems good. And players is like this, and teams is how to explain this to two-dimensional array, and yeah, should be choose randomly, sort randomly, and but this is not deep copy. Yeah, this is not a deep copy, so I think this is not good. Yeah, the create team of 2 players or 1 if odd number, you know, last player insert team if odd, seems good. And mission state, I need to modify about this, but this algorithm is good. This is not good, I think. Wow. The AI said this is a deep copy, but I have a doubt. For example, but this is okay, but because this is a string, so the array of the primitive value is, yeah, gonna be copied deeply. As I saw before, yesterday or the day before the yesterday, the array of the object and write it this way, not not deep copy. Yeah, that is. So let's take a look a sample code. Like 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 this, and how to execute. Yeah, it's okay, and let's yeah, this is okay, and yeah, this is what I want to show you. Can you see it? The size is small. Like this, when the array is about object, this syntax is not a deep copy, not copy deeply. So if you intend to copy override the data for only this array, but the original array overwritten as well, like this, yeah, as you can see, like this. So let's be careful about this. When this is not object, it's when the primitive value like number or string, the result is different. This must be deep copy, and the copied array is only updated, the original array remains. Yep. In this case, the player IDs is a string value, so a kind of primitive values. So this is good, not bad. This is good. So in this process, we can make a teams. So this data structure is expected in this mission. So in the mission data structure, this is expected. So yeah, but how? Missions. Yeah. So rewards how should I define things and how to define how should I define the data structure? Need to let's make a naive implementation, and at this process Teams is created. So is it enough? Because this is mission state. In the mission state, and okay. And mission code. No. Mission state is team assigning and data structure. Current teams. So I should create a like this. I should create like this, and the key should be mission code and million data fish mission state. Like this, and yeah. Type money resource and player Hmm. This is good. With this data structure, we can but mission state is already used. I think mission state is like this. Mission state maps. Yeah. This is like this, and mission state map is used for the used for the getting the specific mission state definitions. Is it needed? Mission state maps. So not the map, and how to use. I want to like this, but this is not correct. How to do it, and I have implemented in this way, like this. This is a little bit complicated. The map is like this, and how to like this. So T extends mission map, and TK. So maybe I can use this. Wait. Mission description state. So mission. Current state mission T extends mission state map. By this definition, the T is mission state map like this, and the key and value is like this, and key of T in K. So K means this, or if the new mission is here, the key K would be here and here, like this, and the type is K, and but I just extract this definition. Like yeah. I know. This is a type. So I just but this is not possible. This is impossible. Yeah, but okay, it's okay. Good, not bad, and the name should mission state. No, mission. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. The teams and rewards. And yeah. to announce the mission description to all of the players. So I will use notify all players and for server from server. Yes. In order to notify, we should define the new data structure in the from server directory in order to show the information about new missions. Yeah. At first, I need to define this and notify mission description and notify mission description from server. Let's define this and like this and import mission code. Yeah, it looks good. Description. Yeah, this is enough. I think it's okay. Notify mission description from server. This data should be given to all of the players, so I should implement the process about notifying all of the players. Is it in the this and the payload like this should import and yeah, this notify from server. So what is the type and payload? What is the problem? Notify all players like this. Like this. I need to oops. I need to like this, to do it like this and use the helper function and yeah. This is needed to notify mission description, and the description is defined here like this as a team gain. This is, I don't know this is correct English sentence, but it's okay for now. And notify to all. Yeah. I need to store the information about the mission rewards at the end of the yeah. So this is the result, but award amount is defined in another field. Yeah, this is a result and this is defined. So state. Difficult design. Okay, today I'm going to finish. I'm tired and it's time to go to the bed. Yeah. I need to think about the design of the project code. The problem is how to define the data structure. In this module, I'm thinking about mission data structure. Yeah. In this type, I plan to manage the state about the mission. So the data is dynamically during the game. So the team is assigned dynamically. When the mission happens, the team is assigned, and the result, yeah, of course, decided during the game. But the award amount is fixed value. So I think this value should be defined in here. But yeah, is it correct? Because award amount is specific property for each mission, because in penalty type of the mission doesn't have a award amount, I think. So I hesitate to add a property, this property to this. Yeah. So in this data structure, we should define the data, common data among all of the missions I'm going to add in the future. So I don't want to add a specific property in this interface. But this is not dynamic value, so but it's okay to be dynamic, because it means configurable, so it's not bad. Yeah. So So I'm go with this data structure. Maybe I go with this data structure tomorrow. And our amount is is initialized here like this. But why? Teams award amount result. Teams what is the problem? I don't know. Mission conversion of type to type mission data fish mission, medium data fish mission state may be mistake because these or types or with the other. If this was intentional, convert property result is missing. Huh? Result. Oh. Okay. It's finished. It's a time to finish. Thank you for watching. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Thank you.